Let's see how to send AI follow-up messages within a chatbot. So here, for an example, let's say a particular customer interact with your AI chatbot for a while and they just become idle. So you can actually send some sort of follow-up messages pushing them to do any sort of action, such as, for example, let's say you can ask them to book an appointment based on the conversation, somewhat like that. So let's see how to set this one using the power of OpenAI ChatGPT right here. So let's get started over here. So here I'm in a demo account with these channels connected. So here let's build the AI chatbot first. For that you have to go to settings over here, and in settings, integrations, make sure you have your OpenAI ChatGPT connected, and here in this particular window you can actually add your own business information or prompts which can actually tell about your business, frequently asked questions, what services you provide, the pricing, those kind of things. So here we already have some sort of information about a plumbing corporation called as CBB Plumbing Corporation. So we can simply use that one over here. Let me click continue right here. And here automated responses, you have to make sure this is switched on as well, so that whatever the business information you have in this OpenAI ChatGPT prompt will actually work. So let me click save. All right, I have just saved it. So now we want to create the AI follow-up message. For that you have to go to the flows and create the flows. So here I have already created one for this video. So here in this video we will be actually sending the follow-up messages after just 1 minute, just for the example or demo. But you can actually set this follow-up message for like in few hours or few days too, based on the channel. For example, if you want to send a follow-up message through SMS, you can even have days as well. So that's an example over here. So here wait 1 minute, and we are also checking the tag is follow-up, whether it's the follow-up message is already sent or not. If it is not sent, then we will actually try to generate a follow-up message. So here we are using this sort of prompt over here. So here let's use a GPT-4o model, and here the business prompt is create one full sentence follow-up message asking if they would like to book an appointment to learn more about the service. Simple as that. So the follow-up message will simply send to them asking if they would like to learn more about the services. And here we are also fetching the chat history details of the particular customer, so what sort of chat or the conversation they had actually previously with the chatbot. So that will be considered when creating this sort of follow-up message, and this particular follow-up message is saved in this response custom field AI follow-up message. So that's simple as that. And then we will actually send this particular AI follow-up message right to the customer. So here if you want to create or add any sort of custom fields into your text block, you just need to type the curly bracket and select the AI follow-up message right here. That's easy. And here we also providing them an option yes or no, because the follow-up message will be about asking them whether if they're actually interested in booking an appointment. So here follow-up message asking if they would like to book an appointment. So that's why I have added the buttons yes or no. So if they say no, it simply says no worries, simple as that. And here if they say yes, then it simply asks them to tap on this button to select the date and time. From there they can actually book the appointment. So that's the idea over here. Let me click publish over here. So now we want to trigger this AI follow-up message over here. So for that we are going to use the tools. So in the tools section we are going to use triggers and actions. So here triggers and action. So use triggers and actions to automate tasks when some events happen inside the bot. So let me open the triggers and actions over here. So here let's add this trigger. So let me name this as AI follow up, and here click continue. So when you want to trigger this particular one, so here we can actually trigger for all the new contexts. So that's one example. Otherwise you can add specific tags for the context to trigger specific actions. So in this example I'm going to simply use new context. So for every contact this action will be triggered. So when a particular new contact is created in your account, so here for an example this account has already 39 contacts. So when a new contact is created in your account, we want to start a flow, we should be AI follow-up message. So here start a flow and AI follow-up message, simple as that. Click save. You also have to make sure this is active as well. All right, so now we can quickly test this how this actually works. For that let's test this on the Instagram channel. So Instagram channel is already connected here, so we can test this on the Instagram channel. So let me open my phone screen over here and let me send the message. So let me simply send a message hi and see what happens. How can I ask you today? So let's say I am located at they can actually serve this area. Can you help with HVAC services? So I'm sending this sort of message over here and see what happens. I'm located at this one. Yes, we provide HVAC services. You can reach out to us this particular number or visit our contact us for the more information. So let me ask some other questions as well. So do you also have 24/7 services? So based on the business information or prompt, they actually provide the 24 into emergency services as well. So let's see what happens over here. Yes, we offer 24/7 services, and here this follow-up message has been already received over here. So this will be sent exactly in 1 minute from the contact initiating the chat for the first time. So it says, would you like to book an appointment to learn more about our 24/7 HVAC services in Brookline? Simple as that, because it simply generated a follow-up message based on whatever the conversation happened over here. So it says Brookline HVAC services, and also I asked this question, so that's why it generated a follow-up message. Would you like to book an appointment to learn more about 24/7 HVAC services? So this particular follow-up message sent within our conversation, because the reason is that here we have set the delay time is 1 minute. So if you set for like few hours or few days, then it simply send the follow-up message at that time only, not earlier. So here if I say yes over here, it simply provide an option to select the date and time. So here you can simply add your own appointment links over here for that, for the customers to book the appointment. So simple as that. So that's a quick demo of how you can actually implement AI follow-up messages within your AI chatbot. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.